Hello my dear students, once again I welcome you all to another episode of Noble Mathematics. We'll find a way or make one. The questions we are going to consider is from exercise 2.4 of NCERT textbook. In question number 4, there are 4 sub-questions. All are to factorize by splitting the middle terms. We consider the first question, 12x square minus 7x plus 1. To factorize a trinomial by splitting the middle term, we have to go through certain procedures. So I am going to explain one by one, after which you will be able to factorize any trinomial by the method of splitting the middle terms. Comparing with the standard form of a trinomial, here the value of a is equal to 12, the value of b is equal to minus 7, and the value of c is equal to 1. Here we first multiply a into c. A into c is 12 into 1, 12. And then we write down the value of b, and here b is equal to minus 7. These two values will help us to split the middle term in the proper way. Here on multiplying a into c, we get a positive value, that is plus 12. It shows that the middle term is to be splitted as the sum of two numbers. I repeat, if the product of a and c is positive, it means that we have to split the middle term as the sum of two numbers. And if the product of a and c is negative, it means that we have to split the middle term as a difference of two numbers. Here, a into c is positive and it is equal to 12. So we have to split the middle term as the sum of two numbers whose product is 12 and sum is 7. I repeat, here a into c is equal to plus 12. So we have to split the middle term as the sum of two numbers whose product is 12 and the sum is 7. Here, what are the two numbers whose product is 12 and the sum is 7? 4 and 3. 4 into 3 is equal to 12 and 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So here we are going to split the middle term as the sum of two numbers, which are 4 and 3. So it is equal to 12x square minus 7 can be written as 4 plus 3 x plus 1. The next is simple. Open the bracket. 12x square minus 4 into x minus 4x minus plus minus 3 into x minus 3x plus 1. Next is grouping the first two terms and last two terms. 12x square minus 4x, first group. Now we group after the negative sign. So we have to change the sign here. Minus 3x will be 3x inside the bracket and plus 1 will be minus 1 inside the bracket. From the first two terms, that is from the first group, we can take 4 common and x common. So I take 4x as common. Then what is left? 3x is left in the first term. Minus 4x is taken, so 1 is left. From the last two terms, that is second group, we can have only one common, no other variable or constant is common. So inside the bracket we will have a 3x minus 1. So you can see here a 3-term expression is splitted into 4-term expression, and now there are two groups. In this step we can see now we have two terms with the 3x minus 1 as a common term, and here 4x minus 1 will be left. So here the factors are 3x minus 1 and 4x minus 1. Now let us move to the next question, question number 5, which consists of 4 sub-questions. I take the fourth question, that is factorize 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. This is a cubic polynomial, so it will have 3 linear polynomials as the factors. Here we will use factor theorem to find one factor. Then the remaining factors we will find by using the splitting the middle term. So let us see how to proceed with the factor theorem. Here first of all we write all the possible factors of the constant term, that is 1. Let the given polynomial be p of y, because the variable is y, is equal to 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. The constant term is 1. Factors of constant term 1 is equal to plus or minus 1. Here 1 has possible factors plus 1 or minus 1. Here p of minus 1. Here the factors of the constant term are plus or minus 1. So I take first p of minus 1. P of minus 1 is equal to 2 into minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square minus 2 into minus 1 minus 1. Here y is replaced with minus 1 and we get 2 into minus 1 cube is minus 1 plus minus 1 square is plus 1, minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2, minus 1. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, plus 1, plus 2, minus 1. Minus 2 plus 2, 0, plus 1 minus 1, 0. We are getting 0. That is, we have p of minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, by factor theorem, y plus 1 is a factor of p of y. If p of minus 1 is equal to 0, by factor theorem, y plus 1 is a factor of p of y. Here the variable is y, therefore y plus 1 is a factor. The next step is to divide the given polynomial by this linear factor. Dividing p of y by y plus 1. To divide a polynomial by another polynomial, we divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. So 2y cube by y, we will get 2y square. And now we will multiply this 2y square into y plus 1, that is 2y cube plus 2y square into 1 is 2y square. Then we subtract. While subtracting, we change the sign. 2y cube minus 2y cube will be 0. Y square minus 2y square is minus y square. We are subtracting the coefficients. Then I bring minus 2y down and minus 1 also down. Now the first term is minus y square will be divided by y. Minus y square by y is minus y. Minus y into y minus y square. Minus y into plus 1 is minus y. Again we subtract. This will be plus, this also will be plus. Minus y square plus y square will be 0. Minus 2y plus y is minus y minus 1. Now again the first term is minus y. Minus y by y is minus 1. Minus 1 into y is minus y. Minus 1 into plus 1 is minus 1. Subtracting minus y minus plus you can see the remainder is 0. So on dividing p of y by y plus 1, we get the quotient 2y square minus y minus 1. We will factorize the quotient by splitting the middle term so that we will get the other two factors. Polynomial a is equal to 2. B means it is the coefficient of y, which is minus 1. C is the constant term, that is minus 1. We have to multiply a into c. A is 2 into c is minus 1, that is minus 2. And b is equal to minus 1. Here on multiplying a and c, we get minus 2. This minus sign shows that we have to split the middle term as a difference of two numbers. We have to split the middle term means we have to split the coefficient of the middle term as a difference of two numbers. And here we have to find two numbers whose product is 2 and difference is 1. This minus shows that we have to split as a difference. So we have to find two numbers whose product is 2 and the difference is 1. The two numbers are 2 and 1 because 2 into 1 is 2 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So we are going to write this as 2y square minus y means minus 1y, which will be written as 2 minus 1 into y minus 1, that is 2y square minus 2y minus minus plus 1y minus 1. Grouping from the first two terms we get 2y common, then y minus 1 is left. From the last two terms 1 is common into y minus 1. Now we can see y minus 1 is common, so y minus 1 into what is left? 2y plus 1. So the remaining two factors are y plus 1, y minus 1 and 2y plus 1. So the three factors I write here. Therefore 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. On factorizing we get the first factor is y plus 1, second factor is y minus 1, third factor is 2y plus 1. This is how we can factorize a cubic polynomial by using factor theorem as well as by splitting the middle term. So with these two questions I wind up today's class. We will meet in the next class with a new topic. Till then, take care. Goodbye.